All right, so let's start with the big story that we are tracking on WION at this hour, where the number of Omicron cases rising in the United Kingdom have been enormously worrying for the authorities. Experts have warned that the Omicron variant could in fact become the dominant strain in the United Kingdom by the end of this month. The United Kingdom on Friday witnessed the highest number of COVID-19 infections since it did almost about 11 months ago in the month of January, as the government is now seeking to slow down the spread of the new mutant variant. The United Kingdom is also facing a deeply concerning situation, as the Omicron variant is spreading pretty rapidly, with numbers in fact doubling every 2 to 3 days in England. Now, 30% of the reported cases in London are now of the Omicron variant. Now, Britain's Health Security Agency has said that by December there could be over 1 million Omicron infections in the United Kingdom. And so far, there are over 1,200 confirmed cases of the infections. The UK Community Secretary Michael Gove has warned that evidence in fact indicates that Omicron is more likely that past COVID variants to potentially lead to hospital admissions amongst the fully vaccinated ones. Downing Street has maintained that at this point of time there are no plans to go ahead with tightening of restrictions in England. The reports say that proposals are being drawn up for a Plan C, which could feature even tougher rules. But Prime Minister Boris Johnson's official spokesperson has said that at this point of time, there are no plans to go beyond the already set restrictions that are in place. He also added that the government is keeping a very close watch on the situation, especially in care homes. Now, England has brought back legal requirements to wear face masks even in indoor spaces, including within museums, galleries and community centres. There will be a return to working from home from Monday and mandatory COVID-19 passports for large venues from Wednesday, as the government's Plan B now kicks into force. The new regulations will be put into a debate and for a vote in the House of Commons next week. Official data shows that even before the emergence of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus, Britain's economic growth recovery had in fact slowed. And now the rising number of Omicron cases and the tightening of restrictions could in fact further add more difficulties in the road ahead for the economic recovery in Britain. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.